I'm preparing this noodles, instant noodles. Then I'm going to eat this pita. Oh, just now I noticed this pita packet plain. So it's like that. Okay, you can open and put something inside. I didn't know. This is already the last one. I usually just put this in the pan, heat it, and I eat. And I put sometimes cheese on the top. I didn't know. Yeah, I was usually just putting it in here, heating it. Oh, that's why there is a cut like that. Oh yeah, I didn't put something inside here. Oh, I didn't know. Next time. Good morning, guys. Look at that, 4 o'clock. I actually wake up at already 3:30, and I just stay in the bed. Yeah, because yesterday I sleep early around 8, 8, 10, 11, 12. So I wake up at around 8 and then 1, sleep again, and yeah, 3 o'clock. You know, I have been dancing, exercising with this music, Touch by Touch. Touch by Touch, that one. I want to continue the workout, I mean the exercise, the dancing, but I'm now hungry. Okay, this is the last rice. I haven't eaten rice since morning. I was just eating the bread. I have this kind of bread. This taco bread. But yeah, really I'm not really satisfied with just bread. That's why I'm cooking rice. And in case you don't know, when I cook rice, it's the same like this. You should be the same length, the same height of the rice, and the same height of the water. Yeah, it's like that. I want to eat this banana, this one piece of banana, but I'm thinking of making this banana bread. Yeah, we do eat banana bread. Oh, but before doing that, yeah, this is the longanisa. So this is like a longanisa patty. So as you can see, I put it like this so that it will be easy to cook. Actually, look at the video of Erwan Yusuf, how he made the banana bread. Yeah, so this is just but I will not totally follow that, because what he did is he put mayonnaise, and I don't have mayonnaise. In case you don't know, mayonnaise is made of egg. At work, we are making mayonnaise with with egg and oil, mustard. Just mix it, blend it with the mix wire whisk or blender will be faster. And then at work, we are doing similar to mayonnaise, the same procedure, but we are using Look at those birds, they are noisy. Yeah, okay, so we are using soy milk. So basically soy milk, vinegar, mustard, yeah, and oil. Blend it, mix it until it's become the same texture like mayonnaise. This is enough or more. Will be very sweet. I also have some flour. Yeah, because I've been wanting to make banana bread and other bread, flat bread. Yeah, but in the previous days, you don't see this in the grocery. Actually, when I bought this in the grocery, like 3 pieces left. But yeah, a lot of people are baking in their house. Yeah, I'm lucky that last time I went there and they have. Wait. 1 egg. Just a little. A little more. I don't really know how much is the ratio. What else I miss in here? I think it's right. I don't know if this one is still good, but because it's long time already. I don't like. Nothing, so yeah, just this. And I'm going to put this in this molder, so it's like a muffin. And we're also going to cook this. Oh, I'm using a lot of energy for the oven, for this, the electricity from, you know. We're going to put a little water to steam because it's frozen. And look what is going on inside the rice. I keep on bubbling. And we are still warming it up, heating it up. I just flip it and no more water. I'm going to put some oil. And look at the bread. I think it's cooked. I also want to fry some egg, but I think it's enough. This is my fourth coffee and the last for the day. Look at this. This is the banana bread that I made. I don't know if inside is already. Yeah, I don't want to try. I'm going to eat it tomorrow. I'll just keep it there. And because I'm still full, it's already like 17 minutes to 5 o'clock. I'll be just sitting here
Florida police officers
and we'll be watching the news.
Medical professionals for treating COVID-19 crisis. That's the message from